Best in-wall rated HDMI cables ensure safe, code-compliant installations, deliver stable high-definition signals, reduce interference, and provide durable long-term performance behind walls. My today's video is about top 5 best in-wall rated HDMI cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Highwings long HDMI cable 15 feet. The Highwings 8K HDMI 2.1 cable 15 feet is designed for users who demand top-tier visual and audio performance from modern entertainment systems. With support for 8K 60Hz and 4K 120Hz resolutions and an impressive 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers ultra-smooth, crystal-clear visuals ideal for high-end TVs, gaming consoles, and home theater setups. Dynamic HDR enhances contrast and color accuracy, creating a more immersive viewing experience. Gamers will appreciate features like variable refresh rate, VRR, and eARC, which reduce screen tearing and provide richer, high-definition audio compared to standard HDMI cables. These capabilities make gameplay smoother and more responsive, especially on next-generation consoles and powerful GPUs. Compatibility is another strong point. This HDMI 2.1 cable works seamlessly with older HDMI versions and connects effortlessly to laptops, Blu-ray players, monitors, projectors, and advanced gaming systems. Built with durable copper wiring, the cable ensures stable signal transmission, reduced interference, and long-lasting performance. Backed by lifetime customer support, it's a reliable choice for anyone upgrading to an advanced 4K or 8K entertainment setup. Now our second product is Snowkid's long HDMI cable 25 feet. The Capture HDMI 2.1 cable 25 feet 8K UHD is a powerful long-distance HDMI solution designed for modern home theaters, gaming setups, and professional displays. Built to meet the HDMI 2.1 standard, it offers up to 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, delivering smooth and ultra-clear video performance. With support for 8K 60Hz and 4K 120Hz, it ensures exceptional clarity, vibrant HDR colors, and fluid motion, making it ideal for high-resolution TVs and advanced gaming systems. This cable also supports advanced technologies such as eARC, VRR, ALLM, QFT, QMS, and DSC, which enhance audio quality and reduce latency or screen tearing. Gamers and movie enthusiasts will appreciate the smoother gameplay and immersive surround sound made possible by True HD 7.1 audio support. Compatibility is another major advantage. The cable works seamlessly with devices like gaming consoles, laptops, monitors, projectors, and Blu-ray players, while remaining backward compatible with older HDMI versions. Its 24K gold-plated connectors, flexible strain relief design, and durable braided nylon jacket ensure long-lasting durability, capable of withstanding thousands of bends while maintaining stable signal transmission. Our third product is Rubmud 8K HDMI 2.1 cable 100 feet. The RuPro 8K fiber optic HDMI 2.1 cable 100 feet is built for high performance, long-distance video transmission where traditional HDMI cables often struggle. Supporting the HDMI 2.1 standard with 48 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers stunning visuals up to 8K 60Hz, 4K 120Hz, and even 2K 240Hz, along with dynamic HDR, Dolby Vision, and immersive Dolby Atmos audio. This makes it an excellent choice for advanced home theaters, gaming setups, and professional AV installations. Unlike conventional copper cables, its fiber optic design offers greater bandwidth, minimal signal loss, and strong resistance to electromagnetic interference. Even at 100 feet, it maintains stable, lossless transmission, something standard copper HDMI cables often fail to achieve at longer distances. Durability is another highlight, featuring gold-plated connectors, a zinc alloy housing, and a flexible yet robust cable design capable of withstanding over 20,000 bends. It also supports VRR and other gaming features, ensuring smoother gameplay without screen tearing. Keep in mind the unidirectional design, meaning the source and display ends must be connected correctly for optimal performance. Now number 4, generic 4K HDMI cable 60 feet 2.018 gigabits per second. The Ublooker 4K HDMI cable is a dependable option for users seeking stable high-definition video and audio performance across multiple entertainment devices. Designed for fast data transfer, it delivers up to 21 gigabits per second bandwidth with 60 to 120 Hz refresh rates, helping reduce motion blur and signal interruptions. This ensures smoother playback for movies, gaming, and streaming content on modern displays. One of its strongest features is its durable construction. The cable includes gold-plated connectors that minimize interference and prevent signal degradation, helping maintain consistent image quality and clear digital sound. This design reduces the chances of black screens or timing errors, which are common issues with low-quality HDMI cables. Compatibility is another major advantage. The cable works seamlessly with a wide range of devices including Apple TV, gaming consoles, Blu-ray players, laptops, and UHD televisions from brands like Samsung, Sony, and LG. It supports crisp 1080p and 4K video output with lossless audio, making it suitable for both home entertainment and office presentations. Additionally, the product includes 1-year replacement support, providing extra confidence in its reliability and long-term performance. And our last choice is AVO, a 16K 8K 4K HDMI cable 2.296 gigabits per second 10 feet. This ultra-high-speed HDMI 2.2 cable, 10 feet, is built for users who demand next-generation performance and reliability. With an impressive 96 gigabits per second bandwidth, it easily handles ultra-high resolutions such as 12K 120Hz and 16K 60Hz, while also delivering exceptional performance for 8K and high refresh rate 4K gaming up to 480Hz. This makes it ideal for gamers, content creators, and professionals who need ultra-smooth visuals and zero lag. The cable offers wide compatibility, working seamlessly with HDMI 2.1 and HDMI 2.0 devices including TVs, laptops, gaming monitors, projectors, Blu-ray players, and major consoles like PS5, PS4, Xbox Series X, and more. Gamers will appreciate features like VRR, ALLM, QMS, and QFT, which reduce latency and ensure smooth gameplay. Audio performance is equally impressive, supporting Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, Dolby True HD, and eARC/ARC for immersive surround sound. Built with braided shielding, aluminum housing, and anti-kink design, this durable cable is designed to withstand heavy daily use while maintaining stable signal transmission. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.